All right, guys, what's up? Logan and I just got the trailer all loaded up and we are heading to a pit bike track. This is a private pit bike track. Most of the trails here in Vermont are illegal to ride on, so you got to have your own track or your own property to ride. And this is going to be Logan's first time on a track. You psyched?
Yep.
Ready to do it?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Stay tuned.
What's up, guys? We just got back from the track and unfortunately we didn't get to ride as much as we wanted to because Logan's quad was having some carburetor issues. We thought we had it taken care of at the shop, but guess not. That's the way it goes. So we're back at the house. I'm gonna unload the bikes and yeah, stay tuned for more. Guys, good morning. So the waves look really fun today. So we are getting Logan off to school, right bud?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna head and pick up Russ and hit the road. Should be in the water by 11. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, dude, what's up, buddy?
How are ya?
What's going on?
Nada. I'm just gonna throw this back here, right? I don't know, should I bring the paddleboard? I don't know.
Totally up to you.
Maybe we just bag it.
I have run. Is that what's in that bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can toss it in there or you can toss it up top.
Dude, if it fits in the back, let's just do that. You wanna do that?
Yeah, toss it in. What's up, buddy? How are you? Right, boys and girls, we just got to the coast and it is absolutely pumping. I'm fired up. We're gonna head to Russ's condo, get changed, and jump in the water. We're gonna surf. I think we're gonna surf a little misto spot, so I'm not gonna tell you where that is, but yeah, check it. Stay tuned. And Russ is popping balloons.
We found some balloons on the beach. Not good. Try to throw these out.
Pick up your balloons. All right, stay tuned, guys.
That's funny. That's funny. I didn't recognize Jordan too. I was just like, oh, look at that.
Oh, look at this guy. Just heading up to the spot. What? Wait, what?
I thought you were showing up at 11.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Be like right in this strip here.
Dude, I was about to get pissed.
What do you mean? What?
I didn't think you were coming.
Dude, I knew where you guys would be. Every time this guy talks about, oh, look at this. Look at that action.
Ben already broke a board this morning.
What is that? And
He broke what? Softy?
I broke a board.
A fiber. And
No,
then he
it
broke
just
a,
scratched.
Oh, then he broke his leash.
And I pulled the plug out of my super, and I snapped one.
It's a paddle for sure. All right, what's up, guys? We just got out of the water. This was easily the best I've ever surfed this spot. It's also the first time I've ever surfed this spot, but you know, it's still a great time out there. Caught up with some of the boys. We all got a few waves, and yeah, we're gonna get dried off, get some food in our bellies, and head back to Vermont. Stay tuned.